Alright, welcome back. I had to make another video because I forgot a couple things. First of all, in the in section, when you're supposed to get healed and all that, I didn't actually heal the player. So I will have to do that. I'll maybe make a method called heal that just heals them up. Remember, if I hit Alt-Enter over this red thing here, it'll make a method in player, just a void method here. And in player, I'm just going to make their HP equal their max HP. And so that works fine now. Now they'll actually get healed when they go to the inn, rather than it just saying that they did. And the other thing that was missing was in the catacombs thing, I didn't actually have a check to see if the player died. So there's no way you could lose. You just keep getting negative health. I can show you what I was getting. Yeah, so you could end up with negative thousands of health, and that's a problem. So let's get it. So if your health is too low, it tells you died and exits the game. So all we got to do here is if the player's HP is less than or equal to 0, we would like to say maybe the great hero player.getName was slain. And maybe like a game over, thanks for playing. And then an easy way to make the game end is you can use system.exit, and that just immediately ends the program. And we'll give it exit code 0, which just means it ended without any problems. So yeah, the only time they're ever going to take damage is when the enemy hits them. And so this is the only place where we need to have a check to see if the player was killed. And if so, it'll say the great hero player.getName was slain. Game over. Thanks for playing. Anyway, thanks for listening. Hopefully everything works now.